Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do my Sephora haul part 1. These are the products I picked up in store from the VIB Rouge sale on Friday. I will be making another purchase this Friday, AC. I will be making another purchase this Friday online. So if you'd like to see what I picked up in store, continue watching. First thing, I'd like to just clear up some things. During the sale, pick up some skincare. Pick it up. So I'm not going to say a lot of this, but this is probably 60% skincare. My math could be off, so it don't even matter. So one of the first things that I got and I pick up in every sale, these are my Clarisonic brushes. I like to get the 2-pack. It lasts me for 6 months, just in time for the fall sale. Because we are coming into the summer months, I picked up a SPF. This is the Shiseido Urban Environment. It's an oil-free UV protector in SPF 42. And this is supposed to be waterproof, water resistant up to 40 minutes. So I'll get a brand new one of these because I believe these have a shelf life of 12 months. Let's double check that. Well, heck, I don't know. I thought it was 12 months. It might be longer. Needless to say, the one that I have is about 3 years old. So we need a new one anyway. Moving on. I picked up the Milk Makeup, what kind of primers is? The Grip Primer. I got the little baby one. Swatched it in store when I went in to get my list together and decided I wanted to pick this up and try it out. I'll be trying it out in a future video to let you guys know what I think about it. I also picked up the Hourglass Mineral Veil in the travel size. This primer lasts a long time, so this small size is perfect for me. Now, I am not a fan of the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. I am going to try out the Coco Cabana Cream. I don't like the scent of the Boom Boom Cream. This one is a little bit more coconutty. The other one, the fragrance is just a little too strong for me. So I got the small size just to try it out, see if I like it. Got yet again another primer. This is the Professional Matte Primer. I got all travel sizes on the primers and another primer. All my primers are old and they need to go. If not, they were already empty. So this is the BECCA Ever Matte Poreless Primer. This one is good for pores and staying matte. During the sale is a perfect time to pick up beauty blenders. So I got this Nude one. I got this Electric Violet Swirl one. Then I saw they had a set. So I got the set. All my old beauty blenders can go. Oh, I'm like, the box won't open. Next, I picked up a Truth Serum from Ole Henriksen. This is the Collagen Boosted with a True C Complex. Brightens age-defying all-day hydration. I tried this out of a set that I got once. I really liked it. So between this and the Caudalie serum that I have, I think I'm set for serums. I have 2 cleansers. The first cleanser is the Murad AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. This exfoliates to reveal smoother, younger skin. It says for optimal use, use this 2 to 3 times weekly. Now this does come with a blend of salicylic, lactic, and glycolic acids. So I'm going to give this a try. I was going to pick up my 7-day scrub, but they mentioned that this would be a little bit more gentler on my face. We'll see, because if not, I will be going to get that 7-day scrub because I love it. My second cleanser that I picked up is from Algenist. I have been wanting this cleanser for about 4 years. This is the Ultimate Anti-Aging Melting Cleanser. Now, this is a lightweight oil that turns into a milky emulsion and rinses away impurities. I don't think this takes off your makeup per se, but it definitely helps brighten the skin. And then I picked up a new Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is good for oily to combo skin. I used this last summer. I really liked it. I am for sure going to go and, well, actually not pick up, make sure that I get another, can't speak. When I do my online order, I am going to pick up the Caudalie Vino Source Mattifying Primer because I do love that. I'll just say lastly, not lastly, this Shiseido Cotton. These are just great for everything. Taking the makeup off, applying your toner. Now on to makeup. First thing that I picked up was this Kaja Beauty Bento. This is in Sparkling Rosé. If you saw my recommendations video, you would have saw that I did swatch this in store. So this is what they look like. So this is a trio stack of shimmer eyeshadows. The next makeup item I got was the Cover FX Power Play Foundation in shade G80. I actually tried this out, I want to say in the fall, winter time, but I really like the formula and the color, so I picked this up. And then I picked up 2 bronzers. In my recommendations video, I was contemplating getting 3, but I showed a little restraint. I picked up the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in Caramel Cutie. Not like you haven't seen these all over the internet already, but since you're here, that is what it looks like. And I also picked up the Benefit Hula Caramel, which looks like such. And that is the 2 of them side by side. Caramel Cutie is definitely a little warmer, a little darker. I did pick up, you can't see it, it is a Lancome Le Monochromatique. It is a multi, how do they want to describe this? Child, I don't even know how they want to describe this, but it is a product you can use on your eyes, cheeks, and lips. It says with the clean applicator, applied to the eyes first. With a different applicator, apply it to the lips and cheeks for a flush of color. I just thought it was a really pretty color. This is a nice cranberry color. I have to play around with putting it on my cheeks and my lips, but we'll see what we can come up with. And then the last 2 things I picked up were eyeshadow palettes. The first is Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's not anything new, I just didn't have it and I wanted it. The last thing, the most expensive thing, this may have been the most expensive thing on my list, was a Pat McGrath Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction. Now I did open this in the store just to make sure that nobody had swatched it. So this is the luxurious case it comes in, and the colors. So when I place my online order, I will be picking up my fragrance because they did not have that in store. I don't think they ever do. It's always online. And I will be picking up another foundation. I'm just not really sure which one. Probably the Fenty Beauty 345 because I have 350 and I'm wearing a 345 right now with another foundation, and that seems to be looking really nice in the center of my face. What else? The Fenty primers. There was a set online that I want to get that has the primer, the foundation, and the foundation brush, which I don't necessarily want, but it was cheaper than just getting the primer and foundation separate, so we want to definitely go with that. However, I do want to get the bronzing brush from Fenty. They didn't have it in store, so I will be picking that up online. And I feel like there was something else that I wanted that I can't think about. I can't think of what it is. But that is everything that I picked up in store. Like I said, there will be a part 2 coming early next week, showing you what I ordered online. Please let me know down below what you guys picked up from the sale. If you enjoyed this video and videos like this, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. Come back to see my world.